Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to fix some hard disk drive partitions not showing in the file explorer of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the file explorer. So you can see here I have only one hard disk drive that is being shown right now. So actually I have a 500 GB of hard disk drive. So you can see here it's showing only 269 GB. So I have some more partitions here which is not showing right now. So if you're facing the same issue that your some hard disk partitions drive is not showing on your file explorer, so for this what you need to do is, so for this, if you're using a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, then you can press Win plus X to open this start menu hidden features, or you can just move your mouse cursor to the start and just right click on the start menu icon, and now you can see here disk management. So if you're using a older version of Windows, that is Windows 7 or lower than that, then you can just use the Windows search button and search for this disk management option and just click on there. Now it will show you all the hard disk drive that is available on your Windows computer. So right now only my C drive is being shown right here, and next to it here I have one more hard disk drive partitions. So you can see here the hard disk drive partitions name as file is not showing up, right? So let me open the file explorer again. So you can see here, so let me show you by comparing the side by side. So you can see here on the file explorer the files hard disk drive partition is not showing right now here, right? So for this what you need to do is, on the disk management, say this one is not showing in my case, right? So right click on it and you can see here a option since drive letter and paths. Just click on it and just click on this 8 and choose your drive letter. So in my case I will choose a D letter. You can choose any alphabet, whichever drive letter you want to add. So I'll just click on OK for a few seconds. So finally you can see now it has been labeled as D drive. So let us open the file explorer again. So now you can see here my hard disk drive partitions has been shown right now. So finally we have fixed the issue that some hard disk drive partitions is not showing in file explorer of our Windows computer. So by going to this disk management, you can check out if the hard disk drive partitions name has been removed, or the alphabet or the letter, whatever you want to call it. So the drive letter has been removed, then just go to this disk management and follow this tutorial and just add the drive alphabet or letter, and I'm sure it will show it up on your file explorer again. So this is the easiest way to fix some hard disk drive partitions not showing in the file explorer of Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.